Hello, thanks for joining me today for a video presentation of a 1992 Camano 31 trawler. For complete specifications, virtual reality photos, and additional photos, please join us at waterlineboats.com or boatshedeverett.com. Hi, I'm Gretchen Miles. I'm the broker for this boat, and once you've had a chance to review the specifications and look at the other photos, if you have a question or you would like to arrange an appointment to take a look at this boat, please drop me a line, gretchenmiles@boatshedeverett.com. I'm going to begin our tour by stepping aboard, moving to the bows so you can look at the nice high railings, and then on up to the covered flybridge. I want to introduce the stern, and you can see the new Achilles tender and the custom cockpit cover. Stepping to the flybridge, taking a look at the helm area that has complete electronics, the side-by-side seating which has been turned so that you can really appreciate the expansive deck space. Again, look at the brand new 2018 Achilles tender, the step-through transom, and the cockpit. Moving into the salon area, the main helm station that is equipped with the bow thruster controls, your autopilot, your Garmin, fish finder, radar, etc. And then taking a look at the L-shaped settee and table, which convert to a double berth. Stepping forward to port is your galley, which is 410 propane stove, Paloma hot water heater, and a large Dometic refrigerator, which is also run off of propane. To starboard is your head with a handheld shower. Forward is the B berth, which has a cutout space that can be filled for comfort, hatches providing light and air circulation, and reading lights. All very comfortable accommodations. Again, thank you for joining me for this tour of a 1992 Camano 31 trawler. For complete specifications, video, pictures, and virtual reality photos, join us at waterlineboats.com or boatshedeverett.com.